Well, India and South Africa is going to lock horns in the Eden Gardens of Kolkata. And right now, the fans are all coming all the way from various places to witness this test match because Eden Gardens is hosting the test match after 6 years because we have seen in 2019 when India locked horns with the Bangladesh team in the pink ball test in Eden Gardens. That was the historic match. And after that, with the world champions South Africa, and the toss has already been happened, and South Africa has won the toss and chosen to bat first. India will bowl first, but there was a confusion in the team. There was a confusion in the playing 11. That was been cleared right now. The playing 11 is in front of us, and we are getting that two already. One extra spinner, Kuldeep Yadav, is in the team, and also one extra all-rounder, which is Washington Sundar, Akshar Patel, as well as Ravindra Jadeja. Three of them are playing the match along with Kuldeep Yadav. Right now, one batsman is less, as we have seen. We have already witnessed it that Sai Sudarshan had a great practice session, had many hours in the nets, but right now he is not in the team, and so the playing 11 is like that. But now we can see that the people over there, the fans over there, those who are celebrating, yet if not you, then who? If not now, then when? Shubman. So, do you think that Shubman can score a historic runs in this Eden Garden?
Definitely. I think he can. He will. So yeah, as a captain, he will score the runs.
Okay, so the fans over here are all confident about Shubman Gill, the captain of Indian team, and a young captain, young brigade, young side of Indian team, and they are going to play with the South Africa, the world champions. So people over here wanted to enjoy the match after 6 years test match. It's a little bit of winter here in the November, cold weather, and the people from all around the corner are here to celebrate. Please show your poster. Well, so we can see that it is Ravindra Jadeja, number one test all-rounder in the world. Ravindra Jadeja. So here are many fans. Few are the fans of Kohli, Virat Kohli. Few are the fans of MS Dhoni. Maybe a few are the fans of many players, and also Ravindra Jadeja. Here we can see. So from where you were coming?
बारासात
बारासात. So are you confident? आपको confidence है कि ये जो young team है ये अच्छा करेगा और ये जो series है ये भी जीतेगा और ये दिन का test match भी जीतेगा?
Yeah, the young team is really good, and especially Sundar as a batsman and bowler is very great, and the bowling department is very strong. So I am confident about the team.
You are confident about the team. So who will score runs for India?
I guess it will be Rahul, Jaiswal. The openers will be crucial, and number 3, Sundar and Gill. The top order will be more helpful.
Well, so the people over here are all analyzing the Indian team, and they said the opening pair will be very important for Indian team. But right now, India is going to ball first. So we have to see in first innings how much run will scored by South Africa, as well as there was a confusion in the pitch as well for the pitch. So India has chosen already 4 spinners as playing along with 1 spinner and 3 all-rounder spinner, and also 2 pacers. So maybe it will be a great turner in Eden Gardens, and the first innings is very crucial, as the experts has already said, the pitch curator has said that the first innings will be crucial because the team, those who will score big runs in the first innings will get benefit out of it, will get advantage out of it. And there is a heavy security checking after the Delhi incident. So right now, Kolkata geared up already, and we will look that what will be the result of this test match.